Welcome to the Dollar Tree Christmas preview. These are all of the things that are hidden away. There are so many boxes that need to be open. I'm going to share with you everything you want to keep your eyes peeled for this year. There's some amazing stuff. Let's hit it. If you buy nothing else, this year a brand new product
are these glittery and jingly finds in the floral section. Everything in this video is so practical, you just wait. I want you to grab an old wreath from your garage. You know the one, you're about to throw it out, and spend under $10 on a few of these picks. Stick it inside your wreath, secure with some zip ties, and you have a brand new looking Christmas wreath in under 10 minutes. Here's the $1.25 gem when you know, you know. These scent sticks. You can stick these into artificial greenery to make it smell like pine. These are fantastic at Dollar Tree and a new product.
These are $7.98 at Walmart and only $1.25 here. They smell just like the real thing. This is so awesome. And if you use last year's hack of taking the tension rod and a garland, you can stick these inside every time you walk underneath of your door. It's gonna smell amazing.
I never tire of Fraser fir, but here's what you also have to know. Right now, Dollar Tree has tons of these $1.25 mini trees. Now, maybe in the past, you passed these up because you thought they were a little cheap, a little chintzy. They're fine as they are, but here's the real hack. I want you to buy 3 to 4 of these, and when you take them out of the box, keep them flat and spread out the branches. Add 3 to 4 and then grab some Dollar Tree zip ties and we're gonna zip tie them together. Now I want you to raid your stash. You've already got so many Christmas items and you can zip tie these onto the top. Pick a pretty bow. I decided to go with this gorgeous red. And of course, I've got to add those stencils on the inside because this has got to smell amazing. You can hang this on the back of the chair, on a front door. Man, these retail for so much, like $40 to $50 in other stores, and you can make it for under $10. But wait, there's more.
Stop. Okay, literally, I was just at Hobby Lobby yesterday and this was $42. I'm not even kidding.
These clip-on candles for your Christmas tree are all the rage this year.
These are so cool. For my Charles Dickens Christmas, these are flickering candles that clip onto your Christmas tree. This is an incredible deal. These are gonna sell out.
You get 8 in a pack, and this is in the plus section for just $5. Now, what's great about this is it's on a timer too. So when you turn this on, they'll auto shut off after a few hours so you don't have to remember about it. But I found that these clipped on really well. I added some gorgeous velvet bows right to my kitchen Christmas tree.
This is an amazing deal. I've seen similar products on Amazon for so much more. They're $5 here, and these are gorgeous. No DIY required.
A similar product retails for $35 for 3. No way. You also want to grab this Dollar Tree table lamp. Now, I actually found this kind of near the front of the store by a lot of like the teen items, but these are only $1.25. And all you have to do is buy a couple of these and stick them underneath of your presents, and they have that beautiful Christmas glow. What do you think?
This wrapping paper is awesome. So cool. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are still all $1.25 each. I love this pattern. Like, this is gorgeous.
You can also buy them singles for $1.25. This pattern is gonna sell out so fast, y'all. Even the checkout lady when I was checking out was like, oh my gosh, where did you get this? And I was like, they're back there. You've got to grab some.
I like this one a lot.
The vintage Santa was incredible. And I've got to point out these to-go hot cups. Now this is where you find all of like the paper plates, but I loved the pattern on these. I thought this would be amazing for a coffee bar for the holiday season. I love Christmas trees. I put them everywhere. And speaking of Christmas trees, the mini ones are amazing.
I also love, for the quickest DIY, these really cool ornaments with the base that screws off. We can grab some bottle brush trees and some fake snow. Just keep your eyes peeled in this place for like some really adorable stuff.
You could do this with your kids, and if you don't want to use hot glue, you could use double-sided sticky dots. I added some faux snow to the inside, and these are so whimsy. I also love to get my ornament hooks, not from Dollar Tree, but from Walmart. They're only 98 cents. I love the flourish on them. I'm keeping my decorating really simple this year, and of course, adding a bow to pretty much everything, because I think everything looks better with a bow on it. And speaking of lights, I hope this next trick blows your mind. It's a favorite.
Also, just remember, if you need more string lights, come to the plus section. These lights dance to sound, so they're sound responsive, and they'll flicker around as you play Christmas music. This is super cool.
And we need a little Do It on a Dime community vote. Did you know Dollar Tree carries spackle? You can find this in the tool bench section, and I love using this as faux snow to create mini scenes. So I grabbed one of these little sleigh ornaments, some Dollar Tree bristle brush trees, and the birch bark pieces. These are real, and you get an entire small bag of them for $1.25. I added these twinkling lights, and again, they play to music, or on other settings, they hold steady. I had a bit of the faux snow left over, so I added some Mod Podge just to a couple of areas to sprinkle the snow on top. I wanted it to sparkle. And I'll just have you know, because I get told a lot, you make it look so easy, Kathryn. Like, I promise I like to make a huge mess when I craft. I would love for all of you to sit in my craft room with me while I'm crafting and just see the giant mess that I make. But I think it's totally worth it. So I want to know which one you like better, the mouse display or the little gingerbread houses. Don't forget the Dollar Tree spackle next time you're in store.
Where to save on ornaments. The giant bulbs from Dollar Tree at $1.25 are absolutely awesome. And they have 3 different collections of ornaments this year. They have kind of a woodland theme, they have a glam theme, and then they have a traditional Christmas theme. I'm gonna show you some of my favorites.
These giant snowflakes. And I don't know what marriage I'm saving right now, but if you notice glitter everywhere from Dollar Tree ornaments, take a can of cheap hairspray, real cheap. The cheaper the better. Give it 3 solid coats, and that will help prevent the glitter from coming off. If you're like me, that's why I often prefer wood to glitter.
4 for $1.25. You can combine this with some Dollar Tree hoop rings. This makes beautiful Scandinavian decor.
So this was last year's Christmas setup. Be sure you're subscribed because I can't wait to show you what I'm going to do with the tree this year. But what I did was I went to Dollar Tree and I got tons of wood ornaments, from wood garlands to beaded garlands, and I just layered it in. I spent less than $10 and just worked with things that I already had. When you're in Dollar Tree, buy things you like. So these giant stars, I actually got like 10 years ago when I first started shopping at Dollar Tree. I zip tied them together on the top of the tree. If you love it, you'll use it.
If you want big bang for your buck, the big stuff is where it's at. All of these snowflakes are a great deal, and these snowflake packs, you get 10 for $1.25. They stick great inside of Christmas trees. You actually don't even need Christmas hangers for these. I love both of these items. It's classic for any home. Great deals. These over-the-door hangers for your wreaths. Also baskets for gift ideas. And the fluffy socks are back, and they have gingerbread fluffy socks. Look how cute these are. Great gift idea. I love them. Like Hershey's name brand. Like, look for the name brands. This one's awesome. This is where they have the little Christmas tree pillows. They have this Christmas tree pillow. Super fun. The $5 tree skirts are a great deal from Dollar Tree, and all of their bows. They have beautiful big velvet bows. They even have these smaller bows. Fantastic deal when you come here. And they even have lots in the $1.25 section. I also love their really cozy stockings. We've had these for years. They're only $3 each. Like, legit, feel this, Gabby. Just feel. Right? Like, these are so nice. They're really pretty. I hang them on my mirrors, by your fireplace. They're awesome. We're gonna check this out. They have pre-lit multicolored garland. Nice.
Does your Dollar Tree have a plus section yet? I would love to know, because some of the larger items, especially in mass, are a really good deal compared to Walmart. I think the biggest plus item you're going to see this year sell out are these ceramic trees. These have such a vintage vibe. Again, when you know, you know.
These wreaths are just $5 each, which is great. I particularly love the berry one, and this one is really cute too. Awesome score. Now this is a Charles Dickens Christmas. Hey, what you can do is put a little bit of faux snow inside of these. They come in spray cans, which is awesome. And this is gonna give it that really moody, gorgeous look. Check it out.
And when it comes to decor, I often find a little bit less gives you a whole lot more. Pick just 1 or 2 items that you could elevate your style with. These lanterns are such a great buy because they're only $5 and they even come with the sprig on top. And what I like about this particular brand of snow spray is that it dries in kind of a clear like a glue and doesn't flake off. So it works really well on the inside glass. The one with the 3 candles has such a great flicker. I loved how this turned out, especially at night. In 2024, there's so many variations on a theme, so you can pick one that reflects your style.
This one is really pretty. This looks like really high end. It's $5. I like it. He does open. We have really cool garlands.
I'm really feeling the vibe this year. It feels like whatever your style, there's something fun, something small, not too much, that you could add to your decor.
They have giant vintage metal Santas. I really like this one. So cute, right? I would love to hear from you in the comments below. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon. Is there an orifice? It's glitter in it. It's true. It's in my nose.